boys and girls. I'm going to take you through page 28 of Intermaths. Okay, so in question 1, you can see that we have 6 different wild animals, 6 quite large animals. Okay, and their weights in each case are given in tons, and you have to convert them to kilograms. Okay, something that I find helps me with this is to include the 3 decimal places after the decimal point. Okay, so I would write, if you look at the examples on today's work document, you can see that I have written it in green, okay, the middle step. So, for example, the elephant is 5.9 T, which is 5.9 tons. I would fill in the 3 decimal places there after the decimal point. Okay, so I would write that as 5.900 tons. And then, once I've that done, I just need to take out the decimal point and change the units to kilograms. So I would have 5.9 tons is equal to 5.900 tons is equal to 5900 kilograms. I find that is an easy way for you to do it without making mistakes. Okay, so you can see there that the gorilla is less than a ton. Okay, so make sure that your answer is less than 1,000 kilograms. Right? We can see the whale there. Wow, the whale is very heavy. The hippopotamus is also very heavy, but not as heavy as the elephant. And then we have a polar bear and a zebra. You all know I love crazy zebras. So both of those are lighter than a ton. So just take your time and make sure that your answers make sense, okay? Moving down to number 2 then. Number 2, the table tells us the amount of food that each of the animals eat per day. So in the case of all the animals except the whales, we have to convert between kilograms and grams. So you need to just write the amount that's given in either kilograms or grams, whichever unit is not given. So looking at the elephant again, okay, 170 kilograms, I need to write that in grams. So again, I'll use my little trick. I'll say 170.000, and then I'll take that out and write it. I'll take the decimal point out and just write it with the G for grams. So it would be 170,000 grams, a lot of grams. Okay. For the whale then, the whale is given in tons, 2 tons. Now that's very easy because we know that 1 ton is 1,000 kilograms. So 2 tons, of course, will be, I'm not going to tell you. Now, in number 2, once you have the top row filled out, okay, you can see a calculator sign there. That tells you that you can use a calculator. If you don't have a calculator, maybe your mom or dad will let you use the calculator on their phone, or you could use a calculator on your computer, or an online computer, or an online calculator. Okay, so what I would do there is I would take the figures from the top line. So for the elephant, for example, I'd take 170 and multiply it by 7 to find out how many kilograms of food the animal would eat. And then I'd take the grams, which I think was 170,000 grams, and I'd multiply that. No, I wouldn't. Sorry. I'm making a mistake. Okay. So for the elephant, I would do that with the kilograms. I'd multiply 170 by 7 and write down the answer as kilograms, and then I need to convert that answer into tons. Okay, so we use our previous knowledge that 1,000 kilograms is equal to 1 ton to help us with that. All the time, boys and girls, refer to the information that I have put on the sheet today and the samples, or the sample questions, or the examples that I've given. Okay? The main thing is take your time and think about your answers. Do they make sense? Then number 3, in the first yellow box, we are converting between kilograms and grams. You can again use that tip I gave you. In the second yellow box, you're converting between kilograms and tons. And in the third yellow box, you're converting, some of them are kilograms and grams, and some of them are kilograms and tons. So you really need to pay attention to the units. Okay? Boys and girls, you really need to concentrate doing this. Okay? You really, really need to concentrate and think about what you're doing. Use the information I have given on the sheet. This is something that you need to get your head around, okay? Even if we were in school, it's quite difficult for me to make it any easier for you. You really need to think about what you're doing, try and process it in your brain, and just get used to thinking about small amounts in grams, normal amounts, let me say, in kilograms, and then large amount in terms of tons. And you need to get used to converting between all those units. Okay? Good luck. Off you go. I hope you enjoyed the video about the white lines, by the way.